The Ministry of Transport hopes to make it easier to set up more 30 km/h zones around schools in Denmark. We are now at Katrine Bjørskolen in Aarhus, where parents have expressed concerns on the safety of their children.
Det er et område, hvor der hele tiden går børn, så det ville være rigtig fint, hvis der var mulighed for det, især for de børn, der går frem og tilbage selv på skolen.
Synes du, det er trygt at lade dit barn gå frem og tilbage fra skolen, som det er nu?
Nej, det synes jeg ikke.
Jeg har en stor indfaldsvej hertil, og folk de kommer jo med 60 km og kommer ind i området, og så glemmer de lige at lette foden lidt på speederne af, så det er vigtigt i det her område.
The chairperson of the school committee, Heidi Prinsen, had previously got in touch with local politicians to tackle the problem.
Well, I don't think that they've changed anything. They have been discussing the 30 and speed limit zones, but I haven't seen anything from them. I think they might have very good intentions, but they don't have any meetings, public meetings or anything for the school where we can attend to tell what we think.